If you're not ready for extreme hair growth and thickness, please do not bother making this potent hair growth oil. On today's video, we will be making another super hair growth oil that comprises of two simple ingredients. You won't regret making this oil if your hair is thinning, bald, stunted growth, suffering from hair loss, breakage, dandruff, itchy scalp, dry scalp. Use this growth oil directly on your scalp, hair, and also if you have colored or bleached hair, no need to rinse this oil out. Again, if you're looking for ways to maintain your hair's natural color and not having it go gray soon, this oil is also for you. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dimma. Please watch this video to the end to be able to get all the instructions. To begin, our first ingredient for this powerful hair growth oil is rosemary leaves. Rosemary contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to get rid of hair and scalp free radicals and toxins. It also helps get rid of inflammation caused by dandruff or scalp irritation that can hinder hair growth. They are rich in iron and essential vitamins. Rosemary is rich in vitamin A, B6 and C, as well as iron and calcium. These vitamins and minerals nourish the scalp from the inside out. It also promotes hair growth by improving cellular generation, blood circulation, nourishing the scalp, reducing inflammation, and eliminating toxins and bacteria. For the proportion, we are using about 5 stalks of rosemary leaves. For my next ingredient, I have carrots. 2 sizable carrots like so. All I did was just to wash it thoroughly and cut off the unwanted parts. Carrots are rich in beta carotene and vitamins, which supports blood circulation and supports the growth of new cells. All these qualities support the hair so it can grow faster and thicker. Using carrot oil helps to moisturize, condition, and improve the texture of your hair. So all I did here was just to grate the carrots, and this is our result. Please, while doing this, do not allow water to flood the shredded carrots. Next, I lit my stove and placed a pan on it. Make sure the pan is clean to avoid introducing microorganisms into your hair. Next, I transferred a cup of olive oil into it. I chose olive oil because it's everyone's favorite. Some of you don't like coconut oil and other oil, so I chose olive oil because a lot of you on this channel love olive oil, and again, it's super moisturizing. This is about 150 ml worth of oil, if I'm not mistaken, a cup basically. Make sure you're doing this on lowest heat. So next thing I did was to heat up the oil a bit, just for the oil to be warm a bit. Next, transfer the rosemary leaves into it and follow up with the shredded carrots. Transfer that to it and then stir to combine. Stand by this oil, do not go anywhere to avoid it burning, because we are not using DIY double boiler method this time. We are using direct heat to infuse this oil. Okay, so keep on stirring, stir from time to time. Do not leave this oil, please. If you leave it, if you step an inch, it's going to burn and you will not like the result, and it's not going to work. So next, all that I added was about 2 tablespoons of black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, to further help with hair thickness. I kept on stirring. Please do not use high heat for this, because if you do, it's going to mess with the ingredients. So keep on stirring from time to time while the oil sizzles. Stand by this and watch the oil sizzle. Also watch out for the ingredients like the rosemary and the carrots. Once you notice that they've changed color, turn off the heat. Bring the pan down from the heat and allow it to cool down completely. Please note that as this is cooling down, the ingredients are further infused in the oil. Proceed for sieving if the oil has completely cooled down. So I'll be using this clear bowl and a strainer. After sieving, I added some essential oils just to help with scent and also to further help the oil to be more potent. So this is optional. I'm adding eucalyptus essential oils in 5 drops and also peppermint essential oil also in 5 drops. If you don't have the essential oils used in this video, you can use the one you have around you. You must not use eucalyptus and peppermint. You can use either lavender or any other essential oil you have around you. Stir this properly to combine all the ingredients. Next, I transfer to my applicator bottle for easy application with the help of a funnel. Please, if you want this oil to last longer, you can add preservatives. Any preservatives that is suitable for oils like vitamin E oil. I highly recommend vitamin E oil and Optifen. I will spell it out on the screen for you. Optifen is great for preserving oils, and also vitamin E oil. They can preserve this oil for up to 1 year. For the application, I had already showed you on my previous video how I made the spray, the hairspray. I will also be linking it on the card and also in the end screen. So please watch the end to watch or click on the card so you can watch how I made this spray. I shared it last week on this channel and I promised I was going to be sharing the oil this week. The oil and the spray can work in pari passu. If you want to achieve thicker hair growth, you can use the oil and the spray. You can use both the spray and the oil to achieve thicker and longer hair growth that you so desire. So apply this oil on your scalp. Use it to massage your scalp, or you can use it just the way I'm using it. Spray is super moisturizing. You can spray it on your hair, even in your protective styles, and then seal in the moisture with the oil. Is also perfect for scalp massages. You can use the oil to massage your scalp. You can use the oil to pre-poo. You can also add it to your deep conditioner. This oil can also be used for your hot oil treatment. Wherever your hair is thinning, if you have bald spots, any of your problem areas, apply this oil there. Massage it. Give yourself a gentle massage. I've noticed over the years that our temples recede more on our edges. Our temples, I'm going to be showing you that region. Just keep watching. You will see where we have the temples. They are the softest and the most fragile part of your edges. If you notice, they are the most part of our hair that usually recede. So always apply this oil there, whether your hair is bald or not. Always apply this oil there. That way that place will be stronger and will not recede. Also in your nape region, make sure to always apply this oil. Don't wait until your hair is bald before you take care of your hair. I, for one, I apply this oil on my edges all the time just to keep my hair full and my edges growing thick. So always apply this oil wherever you feel your hair can recede. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.